Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana as we're heading into the weekend. I primarily follow the orange wave count. Already discussed a couple of days ago that we were waiting primarily for another dip deeper into the orange support area. I think a couple of days ago I posted that on Telegram and Discord in the signals channel, either in this C wave to the downside of a B wave or in something short term a little bit more bearish. We have followed through yesterday, well, on Wednesday actually already. No, we had that drop below the 2250 level on Thursday, Friday. So we've now arrived at the next fib level. My personal target is around about $17. Yeah, maybe a little bit higher in an ABC structure. Yeah, this is what I would like to see. Basically here off a larger B wave before it can attempt another rally. So at least one more low at the moment would be anticipated. And bear in mind, it can turn around at any time if we have a WXY structure. Nevertheless, I would primarily look still at a little bit lower, but this is the area where in the current wave count, we should see a turnaround in an ABC structure or WXY. If it's something more bearish and forms 5 waves down, then we have to go with the yellow wave count, which would be still bullish, bigger picture. But yeah, it could then drop in the, let's call it worst case, to $10 still. So in summary, Solana still has plenty of space. I would still be a bit careful with buying in now because we have no reversal signal. So we theoretically need to give it space all the way down to $10 in the current scenario. 17, maybe $15. So these are the relevant support levels where we need to be watching for potential reversals. At the moment, it looks like it wants to drop a little bit lower. In addition to the fib levels we have on the chart, we want to add our VRVP volume profiles as well. And here you can see basically that if we lose the current line of support, this is basically where we've got the point of control here around $20, yeah. If we drop below that, then there is the next cluster of support around $17. So this is where the next volume spike, it's not a huge one, but it's together with the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement, a very relevant fib level. So that's also why I'm highlighting the $17 level. Basically, here is a good line of support already, and it could turn around if it's a WXY structure, but that would need extended proof. Means I want to see an impulse above a certain level we're going to talk about in a second. And it would also be quite a short last wave down in this correction. So primarily, and also we haven't really seen any impulsive reaction to support yet. So I'd like to see, well, not what I'd like to see, but it seems likely at this stage that we get another low here. And yeah, $17 would be next support. Bear in mind, there's also a line of support or a level to watch at around $18.70. It's one of the Fibonacci extensions we explored in a previous video. Don't consider that too reliable though, but nevertheless, it is a level to watch. Yeah, what is the level I want to see broken? Well, I want to see broken $23.70 to the upside. If we break, or if price breaks above $23.70 from here, I will have to consider a low is already in. This is a trend reversal area. I don't consider it too reliable because the move up rallied only in 3 waves. It's a corrective A wave. Nevertheless, it still looks corrective on the way down, and therefore I give it a chance to move higher here in a C wave. So I think we have a potential upside setup. It is just that at the moment on the micro level, I haven't got a low in place, but there would be one most likely above $23.70. If we look at the micro structure, you can see that price is forming some kind of a triangle pattern possibly. So more bear flag, okay. Definitely overlapping corrective and messy price action. So if we talk about this C wave here, could very much be that we're doing currently something like that. A C wave is a 5 wave move. Yeah. So this could have been the wave 1. This here could have been the wave 2, wave 3. Potential wave 4 here as a triangle or so, and then maybe a short wave 5. That is certainly one way of counting this. Not too happy with that. There is also the possibility to put the wave 1, 2 here. It would be a very short one. But sometimes when you have so aggressive movements in the crypto space, that is possible, then we would count it as a diagonal, an ending diagonal, where we had an A, B, C structure in wave 3. This is now wave 4, and then a wave 5 down. Don't take the micro count as too relevant. It doesn't really matter, really, considering everything we have discussed. Okay, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.